We have seen in our previous sessions that a project in the initiating process groups, in order to formulate the goal and the reasons, okay, there are basic question and answers which are being exchanged between the team, the sponsor, the project manager, and the key stakeholders. I'll take you through two live projects or real life projects. So the first one of them is a planning of an annual corporate picnic to be held during June for all the corporate employees and their families. So that is the project. Okay. So now let us ask those questions and find out the answers. Okay, like why, who, and what, when, how, where. Okay. So why? To thank the employees for all their hard work over the last year. So that is the reason for the project, one among the reasons. So who is going or who is being impacted or who are the stakeholders? The corporate employees and family members, and the project sponsor is the head of the operation, the corporation's head of operation. Okay. And what is being done or what is being offered? It is a corporate picnic. Okay. When that we have seen, it is to be held during June, the month of June. So there should be a venue. So where? So local park. Okay, it's being identified as a location where this project can be. It's a simple project, like just for your understanding. And how? Okay, so coordinate or what is being done in the project. Coordinate family activities and food. Accommodate the size and the needs of the group, like depending upon how many are attending and depending upon what are their food habits, like understanding their requirements, what is their expectation, are they looking for a full day entertainment. So coordinate the family activities and food to accommodate the size and needs of the group. Okay. Now, as we see that, okay, we need to make the project success and there should be a criteria. Okay. So what is that has to be agreed before we actually like undertake the project and then execute it. The project will be considered a success if 75% of the employees and families attend and when they have fun. You know, like this project, an annual corporate picnic can be considered as a success if 75% of the employees whom are aimed and their families attend. And when they have fun, this project can be termed as success. And we'll see the next one. The next one is a fairly straightforward. It's a social event. Okay, it is a can and non-perishable food drive being held by the sports team at a local middle high school or middle and high school. Okay, done by a sports team, and it is a can and non-perishable food drive. So why again? The local food bank has been running short of food for the last 3 months, okay, and has not been able to provide the food for all those in need. So the youth decided to come forward and help the food bank replenish their supply of food so that it can be given to the needy. So that is why the project is being undertaken. Then who are involved? The local food bank, okay, and the project sponsor is the director of the youth athletic program for schools. So this is being sponsored by the youth athletic program director. Okay, and what all are involved? Cans and other non-perishables will be collected so that it can cater to the food supply or the food bank. When or how? The drive will be conducted during the last week in October and first 2 weeks in November. So that is the time period that it has a definitive start and end. The project planning will start in early October. And where, how are we, or where is being conducted? And this is how: place boxes outside of local stores and at the middle and high school so that people can donate. And again, how will this be considered or this project a success? We will consider or we can consider the project a success if we are able to collect or the team is able to collect over 10,000 cans and other non-perishable food items. So we have seen two projects and seen the questions being asked and how the answers are framed and then what is the success criteria. We'll go through the next one, that is the project charter, in the next session.